Okay guys, so you want to know a good app to edit videos with. Download the link on my page. Post a video soon of the things that you could do with. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is download CapCut to your phone. Then you're going to press new project. Then you want to select the video that you want to use to edit. Then your screen's going to look like this. You can go over here and put the cover. You could add a text to it, like here you could put bubbles or an effect art, so it'll look like that. And you could add a text to your video. So this video, I'm gonna put, I'm a cute little puppy, and I'm gonna add a bubble effect. So it'll look like this. And I'm gonna affect art. Put it up here. And you can move this around. You can put it in any spot you want. And now, I'm a cute little puppy. That's what you see there. But now you could add an audio to it. So here you can press on effects. You have all these different audios. You could add an audio to your video. You could mute your clip and just add a sound to it. So now, and that is how you do that part. Oh, and here's an FYI. You could press on this and delete it. You could add more clips by pressing on the thing that looks like a plus sign. So I'm gonna add a sticker. You could add photos. Like that. You can add anything to these videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little lesson, and I hope you guys download this app. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, put a like on this video, and press the bell to see more. Don't forget to check out my TikTok page.